Bumblebeers, and welcome to a new vlog series. A fun time vlog adventure. Strap in, here we go.
What up, internet? Kaohsiung time. Are you worried?
I'm excited.
Oh. You just put it to the card thing.
It's really cool.
I think of this light dome. It's like a cosmic rebirth. High five, little guy.
Apparently the conductors are into some pretty bizarre shit. And also, what the heck is this? I mean, there's a Viking, and there's what seems to be a cat cannon powered by, I don't know, solar or TV signals. And this cool thing in the background. And then there's an angry looking dog and a worried snake and a pig and a plumber that just really wants to show you his butt crack. Except it's not there.
That's my construction noise impersonation.
So we're waiting for 3 o'clock so we can check into our Airbnb. What better way to burn the time than to sit along the water with, yes, there's clearly poop over here, but sitting along the water and drinking a 7-Eleven beer.
Beautiful. It's so hot too, the difference in temperature between the north and the south of Taiwan.
Yeah.
Dramatic.
Yeah, it was 21 when we left Japan, and it's definitely 30 here.
I'm definitely going to change into shorts once we check in.
I'm gonna wear short sleeves because I'm wearing a long sleeve shirt and it's brutally hot.
We're only about 10 minutes away from being able to check in.
Sweet! It's gonna be great to get rid of our bags. Okay, I'll let her open my beer before Jazz gets mad at me. You know, he is my only friend. I don't want to lose him. This is our really cool accommodation. It's got this neat kitchen and sitting area. I was writing some stuff about the trip. It's got a Jives.
Yeah.
And he's got some anime going on, because of course he found the one channel playing anime.
There's a couple anime channels.
Oh, you should live here then.
Okay.
Yeah, and we're drinking some coffee. So there's 2 bedrooms. This is the main one, which is really cool. With a washing machine out on the balcony, which we've been taking full advantage of. And, I'll close the door. If you go over here, there's another room to keep a friend in. Except we didn't bring anybody with us, so there's no friend here. And then there's this amazing bathroom with a Japanese style toilet. Sprays your butt and stuff, plays music, even closes itself. Nice shower. Yeah, it's really nice. It's a big fancy building and it's like right central and near the Formosa Boulevard stop, which is like very central. Yeah, so let's go adventure and do other stuff. Do you know where we are?
Nobody tells me nothing.
We're at Pier 2 Art Center.
Oh yeah, I knew that.